This is Shailesh Sharaf. Welcome to, we have about 179 people right now in the webinar. Welcome. And today was a good day. So the markets went up and everybody's asking me what is my view of the market. Is my voice clear to everyone? Is my voice clear? Yes, okay. So everybody's asking me what is going to happen to the market. Everybody is worried about the market. So I wanted to share some views. So right now, you know, it is a global problem, and we should learn to see the international markets. So one of the most important markets you should see is the S&P futures, right? So if you see the S&P futures, this is the daily chart, and you see that the first time the market started going up on the 13th of March, which was 2396. So this was the thing. Then again, the market went down, and again there was a huge buying from this level. Again there was a buying, and then the market broke this level, but again the market went to this level. This was a panic level again created, and again the market. So what if you see on 19th, this pattern is also available in all the other indexes of the world. Now America is S&P futures. Now DAX is the index of Germany. Then Nikkei is the index of, we'll also show you DAX, the daily chart. Then we will show you Nikkei, and then we'll also show you Hang Seng. So you will understand that the market is already taking support. So if you see this was the date on 16th, then 17th, same rate, it has not been able to break. 4 days, same rate, and already the market is up. It made a low of 8267, and presently we are already at 9476. So the market is already up by 15% in the last 4-5 days. We'll also show you Hang Seng and Nikkei also charts. People are still joining in. We have 232 participants right now. Thank you for your trust in our webinars. Nikkei is here. Hang Seng is this, yes. So we will show you Hang Seng. So see this, the market started, Vikas, remove your cursor. Yeah. So the market already, there was already a support. First time the buying came, and this was the panic, and again. So in the last 3-4 days, we were observing that most of the markets are taking support. DAX, German index, Hang Seng. If you see, it is already moved from 21,000 to 23,500, which is about a 15% jump. That means, and all the bad news have already come in the world. Most of the countries in lockdown. India did not move 15% in the last 3-4 days because we were having lockdowns in the country from Thursday and Sunday. So because of those news, India did not move. But today, India made a very big move. Even after the lockdown, India made a very big move because the world market was already 15% up. And Indian market also has started going up. So now the question is, have we bottomed out? I think so. For the short term, we have definitely bottomed out. In the short term, we have, so we can see the chart of Nifty. Sorry for the trouble today. We might have some technical problem because my person is operating from a different location and I'm operating from here. So please put the chart of Nifty. So today we saw a very big move in Nifty. We'll slightly be slower today. So please, because of the, I'm operating from my house and my person is operating from his house. We are working on AnyDesk, so we'll slightly be slower today. Vikas, should I open Nifty? Yeah. So I'm starting Nifty. So I can show you the chart of Nifty also, daily chart. So if you see, we already, once the buying came from 7759, a huge buying came. And again, the market rightly, and again, the buying is coming. So basically, I feel temporary in the short run, 7,500 is the base. The market should not break this base until unless the COVID really spreads in India. It is still not a community spread in India. So if it does not spread in India, we will see that the bottom is made at 7,500 levels. Now, is it for a long term? I don't know, but in the short term, we will see that the market will go up. So every time 77, 7,800 is a buying opportunity, you may not get one because already the market has moved to 8,300. And today, most of the shares, Reliance moved by 20% up. So all the shares are already moving up in the market. So this is my view of the short-term market. Now, why we have taken this view is because on 19th March, Trump did a tweet that hydrochlorine, this is not a medical thing I'm talking about, but we saw that when he announced that chloroquine is working for COVID patients, the doctors were not very happy, but most of the doctors, I also found out from a doctor in UK and in Calcutta, that they are actually using it in emergency cases to help. And today we saw, if you go to Google and put India bans export of chloroquine tablets, that means India is also using this thing in India right now, and they are banning the chloroquine tablets to be exported. That means that we may have a solution. So if there is a solution, the way the markets have moved by 15% in the last 3 days, it is a tremendous thing, and India only has moved today. So 15% from 7,500, 7,600 levels is about 8,800 levels. So this is the thing, India bans export. Have you shared the screen, Vikash? Yes. Can you see the thing? India bans export of malaria drug termed as coronavirus treatment. So, sorry? Yeah, so this is already there. So basically, This is not medically approved, but most of the doctors are already using the malaria drug chloroquine and taking the thing. So by taking this idea, we are not endorsing this, by the way, because I'm not a medical doctor. I'm just seeing that why the market moved up, because he tweeted on 29th. He also tweeted on 21st March at 7:30 p.m. And India has also banned the export, and we have found from certain doctors and that they are already using this drug to treat COVID. If this is the truth, then, and Novartis also created that they are going to produce 130 million tablets. So what I saw that when the market moves up, they already know certain truth which the public does not know, right? So the market is moved up already, and there is already a solution. And Trump also said that we'll open America by Easter, which is 12th April. And 21 days will also get over on 14th April. So if this is the truth, then we might see a very big run in the international markets and Indian markets in the short term, right? Till the results come, and when we see the problem, we might see a 1 month short term, very strong buying opportunity in the market. So this is my view for the market. I don't think so the market will break 7,500 or 7,700 right now. Okay, so let me take some questions. We have certain questions. Anybody has any questions before we move to the next part? We are not going to share any personal share story, Mr. Rajesh. Let's discuss the stocks which we are going to discuss, because we have 1,500 stocks. I cannot tell you views. You have to take my app and take the view of each stock. It's a good time, Mr. Bharat. Bajaj Finance is a fantastic share. It's one of my favorites. Mr. Madhu is one of my favorite shares. So I feel you can actually go in the market. This is my view. We have also gone, we manage PMSs, and we have also told our high net worth customers to start buying. Yeah, you can keep that as a stop loss, 7,500. Yeah, we have taken a call. This is our call because of the market. The market knows many information which others do not know. Okay, you can go, Mr. Sudha Singh, about 25-30%. You can go in the market today if you want to. You can go for 25-30% of your investments. Okay, so now we will discuss certain two gurus which are my favorites. Obviously, the first guru which we are going to discuss today is Warren Buffett. So we'll show you certain important thing. We'll show you that what does he follow when he invests. So this was discussed in the last webinar also, and I want to discuss again. So we are going to take you to Berkshire Hathaway website. I'll do that. Annual report 2017. So we'll put 25, enter. So this is the criteria which I keep sharing. So whenever Warren Buffett buys any shares, he sees this, right? So large purchase of 75 million pre-tax earnings, demonstrated consistent earning power. So when we read his book, he always sees that what has the company done in the last 5 years minimum. Whether the company is growing in profits. One of the most important secrets of the price going up is the profit should grow. it is not about a good company. Whenever the profit grows or the sales grows, those company prices go up. Market gives a very big thumbs up to those companies. So Bajaj Finance, which is continuously growing by 30 to 40% in sales and EPS, the market is continuously giving despite of having a high PE. So whichever companies is growing in sales and EPS, you should know those companies. Okay. So 5 years, and obviously the return equity of 5 years have to be more than 15, and the company should not have any debt, and they should have cash flow. So what we did was we took this strategy and we made a strategy of Warren Buffett. So I'll show you the Excel. So Warren Buffett, no, sorry, Warren Buffett. Sorry for the problem, because my person is operating from another another way. So now we go to yes of Warren Buffett. So these are the stocks. Obviously, this is on our app value stocks. So when we tested it for 5 years, we found certain amazing stocks which is growing in EPS in 5 years, and these are the stocks which we have put in our website, which we have put on our app. So these stocks should do very, very well. And if you see, these stocks have already given in the last 2 years, these stocks have given phenomenal returns, and they are at a very strong correction in the last 1 month. All the stocks which had moved tremendously in the last 2 years, they have a massive correction right now. So these stocks of Warren Buffett seems very, very good for investment because they have a huge story, and you can hold these stocks till 30th November 2020. So for the next 6 months, these stocks looks very good to me for investment. So if you go to our app, if you have time at 4:15, because we have to switch to my person's computer, if you can do that, we'll show you the strategy on our app also. Right? If you see, those companies have continuously growth. They are growing in continuous growth. And sometimes these are the P right now. These were the old P. Okay. And right now the P is reduced. Okay. So these are the current P. They were very high P's. They are the current P's which has come. So this is a very, very good basket of 13 stocks which we highly recommend, which you can take from our app. Okay. Another very important thing which I want to show you is another strategy of Sunil Singhania. So before I show you, Sunil Singhania is inspired by me. It is not endorsed by him, but we found from a video, we want to show you a video of Sunil Singhania. So please see the video. This was, he did it in May 2000.
We clearly see good pockets of value. In fact, we have done a detailed analysis, and what we have seen that over the last 15 months to 18 months, mutual funds and investors have vacated two interesting spaces. One is companies below 5,000 crore market cap. So if you actually look at the total AUM which mutual funds manage in equity, they manage almost 10 lakh crores. And only 6.5% is invested in companies below 5,000 crore market cap. Also, high net worth individuals as well as so-called alternatives, they have also vacated this small cap space because returns have not been great over the last 12, 15 months. Our view is that there is huge opportunity there because their companies are still trading at 8, 9, 10 P and growing quite decently. The second place where we see a lot of value is again based on this data. Almost 40% of all investments done in equity mutual funds is in companies with a trailing P of more than 30 times. So our view is again, companies which have so-called been growing without any concerns, they have got disproportionate re-rated and they're trading at very, very high P multiples. But we have seen the first sign of them also not performing. We have seen large companies like Maruti, Eicher, Page, where slightest disappointment on earnings has caused the prices to go down by 25-30%. Our view is that again, a value with reasonable growth is a space where the markets have completely vacated that. And therefore, our view is that follow a 15-15-15 kind of a system where companies which are growing at 15% with an ROE of 15% and with a likely P of less than 15. I think that is a space where investors should focus on.
This was the video. So basically he talks of 15, 15, 15. What is this 15, 15, 15? So we did back testing on his strategy on 15, 15, 15. So companies which will grow at 15% profitability, okay, every year in the last 2-3 years. And then companies which have, he is a valuation player. So if you see, all the stocks which he's recommending is below 15, right? So right now all his stocks are below 15. So this is very good stock which is very at very good valuations. And all the companies are actually, if you see, they are growing in sales and they're growing in profitability. So what is his stand? Most of his stocks has given tremendous correction. So these are about another 13 stocks from his frame. Only thing is we have not followed the 5,000 crore criteria which is given. So it is inspired by him. It is not endorsed by him, but we back tested it and we found if you go to our app Value Stocks and you buy the strategy Sunil Singhania Inspired Strategy, you will find 13 stocks which has very good growth with low P and has ROE of 15. Now again, my friends, I keep on repeating that let's follow the brain or the intelligence of all the great people in fund managers who think. They always see growth, 10%, 15% growth in sales or EPS. Okay. Number two, they always invest in companies which have ROE greater than 15. And number three, his strategy is by having these two, he will also come to a strategy where the P is below 15, where the stocks is very cheap, where he knows those stocks are so cheap that it will go up. So when we back tested it for 5 years, if you take it, you will see all the 5-year stock which is given, and there is a tremendous return of 150% in last 5 years on his strategy. Again, I'm seeing this is not recommended. It is not endorsed by him. We have got his idea, inspiration, and we back tested it. So when you back test on our app, Value Stocks, you can actually see the thing. Now, somebody was asking me the stock name is given, not given, because we have hidden it, because this is our bread and butter, my friends. We are showing you that those stocks are good. If you just buy it from the app, you can immediately see all the stocks immediately. Okay. So this is 2 things which we have learned, which has been very good in our strategy. Fantastic. Okay. So anybody has any questions? Yeah, stock names you have to buy it, because this is what we do. We give you a good strategy, a good number of stocks where you can go to our app and buy that strategy, and we are telling you that it is back tested. Now, many strategies are already back tested on artificial intelligence. so we know what you can do it. Okay. So today, if you will want to buy, the webinar is to give you the market scenario. What is the market about? It is also tell you that it's a good time to support. We should not panic. And it is a good time to invest in very good shares. We are already telling you that these shares are very, very good. I'm showing you the sales and EPS of these shares, the P of these shares, and these shares, the sector, which you can go to our app and buy. Okay, it's very simple and very easy. If you want, my person can also give you a 2-day, a small thing to check our app and everything also. Okay. So this is one of the most important thing. Another very important thing which I wanted to show. Now let me show if I can take you to my app. I will show and take you to my app. Let me see if my person can do it. Because do you want to try the app so that we can show the app to them? Vikash? Vikash? Yeah. We are just closing it and I'll try to show you the app also if it is possible, or we'll come back. We'll show you something very nice. Yeah. Yeah, so we'll show you the app now. So if you go to the Warren Buffett strategy, so these are the 2 strategies which you can see on the app. So if you click the Warren Buffett strategy, so these are the rules which is already given in the app, which is taken by, and you can actually change these parameters. The good part is that once you change these parameters, all you can do the back testing yourself on the app. You can actually do the back testing yourself on the app. So every year you can actually see what are the stocks given. So we can show you the stocks given in 2018. So you will know. So these were the stocks recommended in 2018. Somebody were looking for stocks. Obviously, if you want to buy, if you buy, you'll get the stocks of 2019. So these were stocks which we had recommended in 2018, which was back tested. If you go back, then you can also see the stocks of 2017. So these were the stocks recommended in 2017 as per Warren Buffett. If you go back, this is the app, this is the actual app, you're using it. 2016, these were the shares. Okay, go back. So you can actually go. So if once you buy, you can also see the 13 stocks of 2019 and you can change these. Once you change this, every parameter changes. So it is a back testing app where you can actually change it yourself to know. So these parameters are changeable. Okay, these parameters are changeable. So once you change the stock name, the stock, everything changes, right? So this is the Warren Buffett strategy, which was tested for 5 years. Now, because of the 30% down, this percent is gone down, but actually it is about 110%, right? We'll also show you the Sunil Singhania strategy. Okay, so this strategy has given a return of 128% in the last 5 years, despite of 34%. So when we tested it, it was 160%. This is the thing which has happened in the app. So I'll show you the stock which she recommended in 2018. So these were the stocks which was recommended in 2018. Now let's see 2017. Okay, go back. 2016. Okay, We will also show you, if you click the I, you click the Sunil Singhania strategy I, ऊपर वाला I, ऊपर में Sunil Singhania के ऊपर में. So the entire detail is there, and we are saying that it is not endorsed by HEMA. The video is there. We've given the short. We are just following the strategy and the video. From that, we have backtested it, so we know that what are the good stocks we can invest as per his strategy. Okay, we are further improving this strategy further, but it has some very, very good stocks. There are many other features also on the app. If you want to see, one feature is the sector thing. So there are many other strategies also you can invest. There is also one sector analysis. So right now you see, whenever the market goes down, FMCG pharma falls the least. So which share is still performing in pharma? If you click pharma, you can immediately know there are certain stocks like Ipca, JB Chemical, they have not even fallen. That means the stocks are extremely, extremely good. When the market goes down, Ipca will do very, very well. So these are some of the stocks which you can see also from the app which is available. So when you buy any strategy, you get all the 8 features with the strategy. One of the great features is also the Nifty trend. So we have been continuously telling you that Nifty has been sell from a long time. So there is a parameter where you can see that trend is left. So you should never buy, right? So today, if you see, this was yesterday, today, I think so it may change into buy. So the data is updated by 7 p.m., 8 p.m. every day. If the NSE sends the data at 10 p.m., then gets data updated at 10 p.m. every day, you know what is the trend of Nifty. So hopefully the way the market has gone into big activity today, we might see a huge buy from tomorrow here, right? So this is a very good feature, which most of the thing is there. Yes, Mr. Thomas, it is 120% in 5 years. It's about 25% return per year. Okay, another great feature which I want to show you is that you can also search all the good mutual funds to invest right now. Okay, so you can search the mutual fund. So one very good fund manager. If you click the fund manager, it's not very clear right now. Now it is clear. So Shreyas Devalkar of Axis Bank is done very, very well. Okay, Lovely ji, we have already trained you on this in the seminar. How do we get the Nifty trend? It is a research of 5 years. Okay, so these are Axis. I really recommend that you should go for Axis Blue Chip, Axis Small Cap, Axis Multi Cap, because they are one of the best mutual funds right now. So this is one thing which I recommend, which you can also see in the app. Okay, another great feature which you can see in the app is these are things which will help you to decide which strategies and what to invest. Again, my friends, very, very important. I repeat, what you need to see when you invest in a company. Number one, you have to see whether the valuation is cheap or not. Right now, all good shares, it is cheap. But cheap does not mean that it is a quality stock. Again, I repeat, any P below 20, 25, 15 is a cheap stock. But does it mean it's a quality stock? If it's a quality stock, what do you see in quality stocks? If you click quality stocks, if you click quality strategies, then you have to see ROE, free cash flow, and debt. So this makes the stock has a quality. This also reflects that the management has integrity. So once you see these 3 things, you're already safe in a good company, right? So the stocks may be cheap, but make sure that it has these parameters. So all the stocks which we recommend, I'll show you all the stocks which is in our app, about 70 stocks. they all follow good ROE and they're all growing companies. Second most important thing which you should see is that they have good ROE, low debt, but they're also growing by 10 to 15% in sales and EPS. I'm telling you, my friends, fundamental analysis is easy. All the great gurus, if you see, they always follow sales growth, EPS growth, ROE, cash flow, low debt. If you do this, you will have only good 550 to 100 shares to invest in the country. So make sure, and those 50, 100 shares right now is at a great discount. Many companies, please understand, those P were at 50. Right now you're getting those stocks at 25 P. But make sure that you are only in those 50 stocks. That is the most important secret of investment. So whenever I see any fund manager like Warren Buffett, Sunil Singhani, or any gurus which is on our app, I have seen that there is a common thing, common pattern in all the strategies, which is growth of EPS and sales, ROE, no debt companies, and free cash flow. If you do that, again, my friends, you will have those stocks you can hold for long term. And the market is giving a great opportunity to invest in those stocks. Okay. So I'll show you my 70 stocks, my Excel sheet. Obviously, I cannot share the name because that is my bread and butter, right? I hope you respect that. But I'm giving you the strategy. If you have, you can see yourself on my app and you can select the share yourself. Now, if you see, we have about, how many stocks do we have, Vikash? Vikash, how many stocks do we have? 111. So we have about 111 stocks from different strategies, which we actually track. And if you see, all the companies will be growing. All the companies will be growing in sales. All the companies will be growing in profits. Okay. And all the companies will have ROE. Do we have the ROE also? Okay. And if you see the correction right now, it's massive correction in these stocks. And we observe that these stocks are also the favorite of most of the mutual fund managers also, because we have the mutual fund data. So when we correlate, so it's highly recommended that you should know these stocks. And this is a great time to enter these stocks, my friend. You might not get an opportunity to invest in quality stock. Please remember, rarely the quality stocks are available at low P. Rarely. Okay. And this time, and people only see P and they miss out the good stocks. Right now, the P is less, but make sure that they are growing and they have good ROE. Okay. So I'll take some questions from people. Let's see some questions. Okay, from Indian investors, why have you selected only Sunil Singhania? We have not selected Milan. What we have done is we found his video. We did this back testing, and we found that we can make about 25% a year by a particular strategy. So he was an inspiration. It is not endorsed by him. So please do your due diligence. We are clearly telling you disclaimer. It is back tested, and I find those stocks may do very well because those companies will do very well. You can just go, Paragji, you can just go to the app and you can download value stocks. Value stocks. You go to app and you can download value stocks. So this is the stocks. I don't know about Mr. Abir, but I know what I know is that people are using the chloroquine, the malaria medicine, to heal. It is not public because it is not confirmed, but most of the doctors are using that. No, I have no strategy of Rakesh Junwala because there is no public availability. So whenever we track anything, we try to see their ideas on a video or when we meet them, we see their presentations, we get that idea, and then we backtest it. Sectors to invest, that's a good question. My favorite sector is definitely chemicals. I think so financials will still do well, because right now people will be really short of money, so they will really go for loans. So financial services will still do well. Chemicals will do well because crude oil is a raw material. So we have some very good shares in chemicals also. You can go to app and check. Okay, so you can check which are the good stocks which we recommend in chemicals. Pharma, there are some very good stocks. Companies which are growing in profits, those are very good companies in pharma. I told you right now we can enter the market. I think so. We can enter the market right now. This is my view. Or if you are very scared, then you enter at 7,700 levels of Nifty. And if you buy, you can also see our stock and you see the low of those stocks in the last few days and then enter. Like I can tell you, one of my favorite stocks is Bajaj Finance. We entered at 2250. It made a low of 2150, but we entered, and I think so it's a great stock. Today it closed at 2600. It's a great stock. I cannot answer those questions, Mr. Puna. I'm not a market expert on those things. This is the fundamental seminar to help you to decide what are the main parameters. How do we backtest? There is an app available to help the investors. We have 1 lakh downloads on the app. We have thousands of customers who are trusting us and doing this app. Yes, includes large cap and mid cap also. Right now, I don't think so. The market will only break 77, 7,500 if it breaks 7,500. Because yeah, there is no difference. It is pretty similar, Vijay. So Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance is one of my favorite stocks, which I keep on recommending to people. So always depend that. I think so Reliance has done very well today because they've got a very, very big thing of data for Jio, because everybody is homebound and everybody is buying the packs, which is easily available. 8,800 is a resistance, Shirang, right now on the thing. 88 is the resistance. 8,800. I don't understand your question, Investopedia and Skinner Aniket. I don't understand your question. Thank you, Pragya. Thank you for blessing our strategies. You can actually buy some Bandhan Bank also. It is 70% down, but I think so it will do well. Right now, I don't think so, Mr. Subramaniam, that the markets will go below 7,500 till S&P does not break 2150. Nifty will not break 7,500. So if S&P breaks 2150, then only it will break. So I'll show you the chart also. बंद करो, आवाज आ रहा है विकास. So this is the level. So if 2172 is the level, so I'm giving 20%. If it doesn't break 2150, Nifty will not break 7,500, because everything has to move according to the global markets, and the global market is already corrected. If you see, by 15%, right? It is already up. So if it goes up these levels of 2507, and if it goes up 2543, then the market will really shoot up to 8,800 to 8,900 Nifty also. I don't remember, Mr. Hari Kumar, what chart are you talking about? I cannot talk about individual stocks right now. Navneet, I've already spoken this many times to you. ROE, if the companies are not taking debt and companies are not have good ROE and they have good cash flow, that means the management is not greedy. So even right now, Mr. Ramdev Agarwal released that cash flow is very, very important. So greedy companies, they take a lot of debt and they don't have any control and they are not efficient with money. So ROE brings the efficiency and greed is controlled by cash flow. That is a separate training, Srinivas. I can't give you training right now about that. Please avoid Yes Bank till we don't believe in turnaround companies or loss-paying companies. Chetan, everything is on my app. So if you want to study, I'll show you. Can you show the app once? So the pricing is here. If you click upgrade. So these are the different prices we have. So we have an annual subscription where you get one strategy. And in the quarterly, another thing is in the quarterly validity, if you buy today, we are giving a 50% discount for all the quarterly strategies. 50% discount is available for all the quarterly strategies. Okay. So you can contact my persons and they can help you. The number is also given on top of the app. And we also have a derivative strategy. So you can also call up if you download the app, it's here. You can go to Google and Play Store and you can do it. Thank you, Pragya, for your blessings. Thank you for your things. I hope you brought one of our strategies. These are before discount. So if you take it, they will give you discount further from the levels here. Please call up Sagar and find out. That's a big work, Aditya. Let's stick to, yes, there will be a discount, Mr. Balasubramaniam. Please contact my people and they will help you to buy. You just call that number. So if you click, you will have the number here. We can just click that. So you can just call up this number and WhatsApp it and they will call you back. When to buy and when to sell is not a very easy thing. That is why if you have good fundamentals, you don't need to worry about when to buy and when to sell. It comes with a lot of practice. Thank you, Rajat, for your blessings. I'm not a very keen on PSU stock except Midhani. Midhani looks good to me, except I'm not a very keen buyer of PSU stocks. Okay, so we have 5:20. So anybody is interested, because we are giving a 50% discount on the quarterly strategies today. So if you buy the strategy today, my people will give you 50% discount because of the market scenario in the quarterly strategies only. So you can go to quarterly strategy. I think it's a good buy right now. I would invest in Bandhan Bank some amount. But right now, I would prefer to buy Bajaj Finance than Bandhan Bank because that is also at a great discount. We cannot answer personal questions right now. All the good stocks which I recommend is on the app. If you buy different strategies, you will know. HDFC Bank is good. I would prefer to buy HDFC Bank also. I'm not a favorite of SBI. Not all these companies don't. Again, we are asking personal questions on shares which I cannot answer. All the shares which you have, all the 1500 shares report is on my app. So you can actually know my view. Once you buy the app, you will know all the 1500 stocks view is given on the app individually. I don't believe much in dividend yield strategy, Milan. Please give your number. a request, because we have to end the seminar. If you can give your number on the thing, so people who are interested, my person will call you today. So if you want to give your number. Yeah. So a lot of people are giving the numbers. So if you give your number, my person will call you and you can get a discount today, and you'll get full idea also how to. Thank you everybody. If you want, my person can call you. Thank you for giving your number. Thank you all for your blessings. We will continue these sessions every week now, every Wednesday.